Most KDP advice you see online is outdated. Journals, notebooks, even coloring books, they just don't work like they used to. In this video, I am going to show you my exact KDP system in 2026. The process I actually follow that's making me consistent income every month. To give you some context, I currently have 16 live books under one pen name, mostly educational workbooks like math workbooks, and the best part, this is not random luck, it's a system, and I will break it down step by step. The biggest change I made was simple but powerful. I stopped publishing low content books and started focusing on high quality medium content books. That one decision completely changed my results. So what do I focus on exactly? Educational workbooks like math workbooks and puzzle books occasionally. The key, I don't publish random stuff. I have been building a brand under one niche with consistent covers, consistent quality, and multiple books under one pen name. Here is how I find KDP niches. I start with the seed keyword on Amazon. I look for books that are selling but have few reviews. I check that they are mostly published by individual authors. This tells me there is demand and competition is manageable. I check multiple books, not just one or two. For tools, I use Titans Pro and sometimes Helium 10. Next come book interiors. I create them using different tools: Math Worksheets generator for math workbooks, Instant Puzzle generator for word search puzzle books, and Canva for custom book interiors. I also use ChatGPT to write titles, subtitles, and book descriptions. And I also do everything myself to maintain quality. For book covers, I don't reinvent the wheel. I look at what's already selling and create a better version of them. My covers include big bold titles, a main image, the target audience or age group, and preview of book interior. I mainly design my book covers using Canva. From idea to published, it takes me 1 day to 1 week. My workflow is very simple. Find the book idea. Number 2, create the book interior. Number 3, design the cover. Number 4, write metadata. Number 5, publish and add A+ content. Then once the book is live, run KDP ads or Amazon ads. I usually publish 1 to 2 books per month. What is actually making me money is high quality medium content books, staying one niche, publishing multiple books under one pen name, and maintaining consistent branding. What is not working anymore is journals, lined notebooks, and most adult coloring books. These are, in my opinion, oversaturated now. The difference now is simple. I don't publish randomly. I research, plan, and create high quality books. That is what gives me consistent results and an edge over competition. So, how much I make from Amazon KDP on average? KDP brings me around 40 to 50% of my monthly income, and it's steadily growing because I focus on what's working. If you too want a step-by-step system instead of guessing, I have put together everything I personally do into a beginner-friendly KDP course. It goes much deeper than this video, and the link is in the description below. But even if you don't join, remember this: stop chasing quick wins, focus on quality books in a focused niche. That is what actually works in 2026. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. If you have questions, do let me know in the comment section below.